Topcon's OS Total Station combines superior technology with advanced design and unique features never before seen in survey instruments, including onboard Windows CE computer display, TS Shield for maintenance and security, best-in-class reflectorless EDM, long-link wireless communication, and advanced angle accuracy. Topcon is proud to introduce Magnet Field, running on board as standard on the OS. Simplify your work in the field and increase your productivity by operating this complete field solution from the large, bright Windows CE6 touchscreen display. You can do point collection, description entry, calculations, as well as view points, lines, and icons to help you make faster decisions. Magnet software provides full survey and construction functionality, including topo, stakeout, traverse, COGO, and adjustment features, so you can complete your work in the field. In an industry first, every OS is protected by TS Shield. This multi-function communications module tracks the instrument's location and communicates automatically to the cloud. If firmware updates become available, you'll be prompted to perform an online update, so your instrument is always performing at its best. And if your OS is ever lost or stolen, you can send a coded signal to the instrument and disable it anywhere in the world. Topcon has re-envisioned the total station with a powerful and accurate reflectorless EDM. Now measure up to 500 meters reflectorless and get the result faster and more accurately than any other instrument. In side-by-side comparisons, the OS consistently outperforms the competition. When working in a two-man crew, where being at the prism pole with a field controller is critical, Topcon's exclusive long-link technology allows the unit to be operated intelligently at the pole up to 300 meters away. It functions like a manual robotic system. Perfect for stakeout or complex topo, long-link puts the data controller at the point of measurement. When it comes to angular precision, the new OS series offers reliability not available in comparable models, up to 1 arcsecond. With our advanced technology, the OS gives you the performance of a geodetic-grade instrument in a small, lightweight unit. The new trigger key supports accurate measurements by being perfectly centered on the instrument axis. You get convenient location and fast, accurate measurements with no risk of rotation when measuring. In true Topcon tradition, the OS gets all the details right, with easy access USB 2.0 memory port, a rugged waterproof design, and greatly improved battery life for up to 20 hours from just one battery charge. All of these features, plus of course TS Shield, long link, and a powerful, accurate EDM. The new OS from Topcon, designed for productivity with new and powerful technology in a sleek design that's easy to use.